Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you in that video will be always the same. First of all, we will need the settings for. So for that, just scroll down here. Then you will have here always the symbol for the settings here at the corner. Just tap on it. Now you need to look for the point General Management. Here it is. It has a gray icon with some white stuff to adjust in it. Tap on it. Now you will need the first point, language. And now we are having two ways. You can have a list here, like in my case, or you can have just this plus symbol to add languages. Let's start first with the list. In case if your language is here part of the list, like in my case Deutsch, so German, then just tap on the language and go on the blue button. And now this phone is here in German. Okay, let me show you now what to do if your language is not part of the list. So let me turn back into English here. So, okay, let me show you now what to do if your language is not part of the list. Of course, you go here to the green plus symbol to add a language. And now you can look for your language here. We have many opportunities. Okay, let's keep going on, maybe in English here, for example. And in the second step, you can choose now a local dialect. Let's take the dialect from India. So greetings, by the way. And now you choose the most white one to set it up as default. And now this phone is here on English with the dialect of India. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. Yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.